today I'm going to give you guys a review about a product I received in my FabFitFun box. This product was a customized item by myself. So when I was going through my options, what I can customize to, what options are there for me, one of the items was for a full-size hair straightener. It was from a brand called AMIKA. See, this is the bag, by the way. I'll show you the straightener in a minute. So I got really curious about trying a new straightener because I have been using GHDs for over 11 years, and I actually never even think about getting a new straightener because, or trying another brand, because I feel I literally have this feeling inside me knowing like if I buy or spend money to get a new hair straightener, or even if it's from a brand which is so good, like it has good reviews and everything, it's not gonna work for me. So I finally broke that fear and when I saw this in my FabFitFun box option, I just thought I really need to try it. Let's just get it. It's part of my customization item. It's gonna come in my FabFitFun box, and it's a full size as well, not a travel size, which is amazing. So let me just move the wire. So basically this is, as I said, this is from a brand called AMIKA. I think I read. So the temperature wise, it goes from 140°F to 450°F, which is pretty high, and the dials are right over here. I don't know if you can see it or not. So the dial is right here, and on and off button is right here as well. So I have to tell you guys, I have already used this hair straightener once, and that was, I think, on Sunday when I washed my hair, and I did straighten my hair with this. If you guys know me or following me for a while, you know I don't like using hair dryer that much because I feel like it makes my hair even more frizzy and dry looking, even though I follow all the right techniques and everything. So that's why I don't like using hair dryer that much. But on that day I even let my hair dry normally, and I just thought I'm gonna give it a go and test this bad boy out, because I have a really high hopes, and I just wanted to see if it's going to perform as well as my GHD. Do you know what, guys? It actually performed better than my GHD. It just shook me away, like literally, because it straightened my hair in half a time. The heat is quite high, but it's not as high as GHD, so bear that in mind. If you're using GHD, you're going to compare it with that. Heat is not that high, as high as GHD, but still it took me less than half a time to finish my whole hair. And the other thing I really like about it, and I got really impressed by, it didn't put any sort of static feeling in my hair. Everything was looking super nice, smooth, silky, and it just like, it was so good. Like usually when I straighten my hair with GHD, like for the first an hour or two, I feel a little static in my hair. First I thought it might be because my GHDs are old. They are actually not that old, but I just thought maybe the plates are wearing off. That's probably why, but I don't know. But this thing was amazing. So today I'm going to use this again, and I'm going to show you guys how I curl my hair using a hair straightener, and also we're going to test this bad boy out just to see if it's going to perform as good as the way it straightened my hair. Like my hair was straightened on Sunday, and look at them, they're still pretty good, and I've been like putting them in braids and everything, and they still look super good. So let's just test this out, and today I'm gonna try doing a full, is it coming up? Oh yeah, so I'm gonna try to curl my hair, so you will also see how I curl my hair. Usually I do not put any curls in my hair on the day I will wash my hair, because my hair tends to get super soft and silky, and if I put any curls on that day, it only lasts me like for like an hour or two, and then I have to do it again. But my hair is being washed for what, a couple of days now, and they are not greasy, but they are not as clean, I will say, as they were on Sunday. So I'm just gonna test it out. And usually that's how I do my curls usually as well. I let my hair like get a little dirty, I'll say, and then I'll put curls, and they'll last me for good few days, even if I don't like go back and fix anything. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna like literally split this in two parts, and then I'm gonna go with the first strand, and I'm gonna twist and then pull, twist and then pull, and it's gonna give me this curl. You can see this is how I do it. It just starts from the top. The more twist you will do, the larger your curl would be. So depending how many you're doing or how many it allows you to do, this is good. But I'm gonna go back. Okay, so this is the first one, and now I'm just gonna do the same on the other side. Just gonna take this first part out first, twist and pull. So it is feeling a little, the plates are feeling a slightly rough when I'm pulling my hair. Usually I don't have this issue with my, can you see the curls? With my GHD, but not really sure. Maybe it's because it's new or something else, I don't know. There we go, guys. I have my full hair done. This is how the curls are looking like. So I'm gonna get up so you can see. This is how they turn out to be. Pretty smooth. I'm just gonna run my fingers through them, so they're gonna open up a bit so they don't like curled into one big clump. So I'm gonna run my fingers through them. And that's about it. And at the front I always like to twist these two strands like outwards, so it won't keep coming on my face. And that's about it. So overall I have to say it did perform really well. The only thing I have to say is you cannot do a very large chunks in one go, especially I do have a very thick hair anyway. So I like whenever I was trying to do a very large strand, it didn't work for me. It was just not doing it. Either it was looking super like you can see in this part, in this particular strand, it didn't work at all. Even if I was going back, it was even making the hair look more dry and frizzy, but it wasn't working. It was just not, the curl was not, like I couldn't put the curl back on. So But overall, I am gonna say it's a very good product. I absolutely liked it. It did actually, I will say it did a slightly better job doing my straightening than curling, because on curling it took me slightly longer time than what I'm used to with my GHDs, because I can do bigger strands with them. But still, I'm not gonna complain. It's absolutely stunning. Like, the curls are looking very nice. I'm very happy with my curls. The way they came out, it's looking amazing. So I will highly recommend you to try out this brand. Also, if you are not a FabFit member and you're thinking about getting or becoming a member now, because you do see a very good products in their boxes, I do have a FabFitFun affiliation code. I am FabFitFun affiliated, and I do have a discount code also. Everything is mentioned in the description box below. You can use my affiliation code and discount code. If you want to save money or something, you really don't have to. There is no pressure. There are a lot of other influencers, if you prefer to use there, it's absolutely fine by me. But if you want to save some money and you are interested to becoming a FabFitFun member, do check out the description box below, because my affiliation link and the discount code is in the description box. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and as usual, if you have any questions, you can leave them in a comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. I love you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.